Nothing much.
You taking pictures?
Mm-hmm.
You're a funny dude.
I've been doing this for years.
It's gonna take my motherfucking picture. I'm like
You mean I have to delete all those hundreds of
pictures? I'm like
pictures?
an aborigine, man. You take my picture, it steals my soul.
You mean I gotta delete all those pictures now?
I hope you don't.
Nothing that you wouldn't, yeah. Nothing you wouldn't be proud of. They're,
Oh, it's a wind chime.
yeah.
How many megapixels you got?
10.
What kind of zoom you got on there?
It's the standard.
That's a fucking clear ass picture.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it is.
Is that full zoom though?
Yes. It's amazing.
That's really clear. That's 10 megapixels?
Yeah. Now watch, I can go all the way down the street.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's really wild.
Yeah, I have a YouTube site.
Yo, I seen this one on TV, they were advertising it. The chick takes the picture, right? And then puts herself in the picture from the other side.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Like,
yeah.
She
I
takes
know
the
what you're
picture,
talking
right?
about. And then moves it around?
No, she takes the picture. So she's looking at, let's say it's a girl on stage doing her act.
Right.
And she takes a picture of herself and puts herself in that picture.
Oh,
Like she's dancing with the girl performing on stage.
No.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Now that's something different.
Like, let's say the girl doing on stage is like Avril Lavigne, right?
Yeah.
She's in the audience. She takes a picture of Avril Lavigne and then takes a picture of herself and puts herself in the picture.
That's crazy.